Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the two best brokers that are suitable for beginners. These brokers are well chosen and I know what I'm saying. I'm gonna give you the reasons why I'm saying this broker is good and this broker is good. I'm just gonna show you only two brokers, but bear with me. But before we go further, guys, I have a giveaway for you. I'm going to give this book to two people, two lucky winners. I'm gonna show you how to receive this ebook. It's a killer zone strategy book. It's a strategy that I've been using, a strategy that I've learned and I've been using, and it's absolutely great, guys. You can grab this book. I'm gonna give the book. I'm also gonna put the link down in the video description. The book is just $8. I mean 8.77 euros. It's absolutely cheap here on Amazon. So the book is there. I'm gonna put the link down in the video description. But I'm gonna give it away to two winners, and those winners are gonna get this book right away in this video. So all you have to do, I'm gonna give you the instruction. So let's just read the book information first. So the book is about the trading strategy that have been developed in 3 years. It's profitable strategy and it works profitably well with crypto indices and synthetic indices. I've tried this all currencies. I've tried everything like that, and it's a very short book. The book is just 17 pages. That's why it's not a waste of time. 17 pages, and they are worth reading. There are no BS, or you go straight to the knowledge and strategy. You start practicing with your book and download the book straight into your phone. Just buy it on Amazon, or you can get it by winning it right now. I'm gonna show you how to win this ebook. The ebook giveaway, you're gonna only like and comment down on this video, and that's how you participate on this giveaway. Just like and comment. You can subscribe if you're not subscribed. That's another thing. So that book gonna be given only to two people, and those are random winners that we're gonna choose on the comment section. I'm gonna use a random comment picker, and then we're gonna choose a winner on the next video. So just comment below, let me know anything you wanna say, and then boom, you're gonna get your book right there and start making some money with Forex. So let's start with the best broker I've chosen. So the best broker I've chosen, first one is Deriv. I'm gonna explain why I've chosen Deriv as one of the best broker. This is the first, and I'm gonna give you the second. So but pay attention. So Deriv is the best broker for me because I know exactly how it feels to be a beginner. Even if you are advanced, Deriv is one of the best. You can trade Forex on Deriv. You can trade Deriv, which is synthetic indices. You can trade volatility 75 jumps. You can trade the range, and you can also trade stocks like Wall Street. You can trade US Tech, Apple. You can also trade cryptocurrencies here, BTC USD. You can trade Dash USD. You can trade Ethereum USD. You can also trade commodities like silver and gold, copper, palladium, and you can trade a lot of things here. And to the surprise, Deriv is offering a very tight spread that no other brokers are offering. If I go to my MT5 here, you can see I'm on synthetic indices. This is volatility 10 index here. So if I just, you can see I'm on 15 minute time frame, but you cannot see the spread. If I go on 1 minute time frame, I'll probably have to zoom in so you can see the spread. I have to zoom into the maximum so you can see how small the spread is. You can see the spread. You can see the difference between the price and asking price. You can see this is the spread. It's too tight, and if I zoom out, you may not even see the spread. So it's so tight that you can open your position and be in profit right away. That's the first thing about Deriv. So as you can see right here, you can trade everything on Deriv. You can trade Forex. You can trade these volatilities with a super tight spread, and their payment options are very great. You can deposit as minimum as $5 if you are using e-wallet, or you can deposit with a card which is $10 minimum, which is absolutely great, and you can withdraw as little as $10 from this broker, and their payment are quite faster than, I don't know if you experience it, but for me it can even take minutes. It can even take 25 minutes to receive a payout straight to my card. I don't know why it's so fast like that, but I've been using this Deriv for a while now, and I know it's powerful and they are just outstanding. If I can show you the ratings, you can see they have 4.6 stars rated by 32,000 plus people, and that's absolutely insane. A lot of brokers are not reaching this type of ratings on Trustpilot, but this broker managed to reach that, not because of the rating actually, but because people trust the broker and they know absolutely that the broker is doing absolutely great in a lot of ways. I don't know how to explain it, but the broker is fine. The second thing, you don't need to get verified for you to start trading. You can just sign up straight, just enter your email, click agree, then you sign up straight, or you can sign up with Facebook, Apple, you can sign up with Google, and then you can start trading right away. You can withdraw until 10,000 USD is when they're gonna ask you to verify your account, but you can verify your account in between there, so they can start trading. They can allow you to trade right away in just minutes. I'm gonna put the links of this broker down in the description. So let's just go explain few things. So as you can see, the first broker is going to be Deriv. The first broker is going to be Deriv. So we are saying Deriv. The first thing about Deriv is that tight spread. It's a tight spread. The spread is so tight. It's so tight spread, and you just wanna use that tight spread for your maximum gains. You are not gonna be in drawdown. If you predict the price in the right way, obviously you're gonna be straight into profits, and that's what we are looking for. We don't wanna be in drawdown of $20 opening a position. We don't wanna do that. And you can open a position with as low as 0.04 cents. You can open a position with 0.04 cents on volatilities, which especially volatility 75. You can open a position with that amount of money. You can open a position with that amount of money with 0.04 cents, just 4 cents. You can open a position on volatility 75 and you can make profits. This is insane, but this is what we do. I usually blow my account from when I deposit like $20, and I can take my account to $1 and 20 cents and somewhere, and I start trading volatility, and I saw one day I went up back to my $20, and this is almost insane, but it's possible. So they offer tight spread, they offer little margin to start to open a position, and many more. So I don't want to dilute everything. The link will be down in the video description. Just go there and sign up on the broker if you wish to sign up on the broker and just start trading with Deriv. It's actually working well for everybody. The minimum deposit is 10 USD, is $10, and also the withdrawal is 10 USD. It's the same. Withdrawal is also 10 USD, which is absolutely great for everybody. Everybody can afford it unless you don't want to trade. So right now, this is one of the best broker I mentioned. So I don't want to go on my account and show you exactly, but I have a smaller account here, I think. Okay, anyways, Deriv is one of the best. You can trade through MT5 only, and Deriv X, you can learn about this once if you sign up on Deriv. They have also options or multipliers, but that's whatever. If you are new here, you're just gonna learn all this information. Or let me know if you want to know how to use Deriv. Let me know in the comment discussion below. So the second broker I'm gonna give you, let me just load up the second broker. And probably you are blaming me again for giving you XM as your second broker. Do you know why I'm choosing XM again? I have used XM for a while now, and I know why I'm choosing this XM broker to be your second broker. So our second broker right here is going to be XM. It's XM. This is one of the best broker, and I'm gonna give you reasons why I'm saying XM is one of the best broker. So the first three, XM is offering you a $30 no deposit bonus if you never signed up. So if it's for the first time you are signing up, they are gonna offer you a $30 to trade free, and you can withdraw profits. I think unlimited. You can withdraw profits. I know I ruined my $30 long times ago when I signed up, and I don't know what I was doing. That was about 3-4 years ago when I signed up, and I don't know what I was doing at the time. I ruined my whole $30. But in the experience with people who I referred to there, they are also signing up. They are getting their $30 no deposit bonus, and they are using this broker as their daily trading right now. I don't want to go on my affiliate dashboard and show you how many people are trading there, but I assure you this is one of the best broker. So the second thing is that they are offering more than 1,000 instruments. Not really what you are looking for. The average is good. It's up to 1,000, and then they can give bonus up to 5,000 for you to trade. These bonuses are absolutely important. So XM is offering bonuses all the time. So like this month of June, they're offering 100% bonuses up to 5,000 to everyone who is depositing on XM right now on this month, and these bonuses are always there. If this 100% bonus expire, they're gonna give you another bonus every day. There's a bonus for you there on XM, and you can start trading right here. They are great. You can have as many accounts as possible. You can make a macro account, standard account, and as many MT4 MT5 accounts as possible. So they are not limiting you to how many accounts you should have with them. So unlimited access to video tutorial, they have free daily analysis, access to market research. They can give you, they even have live help. They have this where they have these meetings where they teach people how to trade. They give daily information on how to trade. They do webinars, and they are just great. So I don't know if you guys understand it, but I know this is great. So you can trade everything here. You can also trade stocks, you can trade cryptos, CFDs, indices, commodities, and all these CFD metals. You can trade everything, and you can have information to trade all the time here. So I don't think there is a lot that you're gonna anything else that you're gonna need. They are award winnings, as you can see. They are award winnings. You can see they are award winnings all the time. So they are the best brokers, and they've been in the market for quite a longer period of time. So they give you all information. All you have to do, guys, is you to do a comparison. You can come to the website here and read it for yourself. Read the information for yourself. You can come to Deriv and read information for yourself. The only difference between Deriv and XM is that XM is asking you to get verified before start trading, and Deriv doesn't need you to get verified to start trading. And the second thing about XM is that XM is giving away bonuses a lot, and XM is not giving, Deriv is not giving away bonuses. It's only offering you a little margin of 0.04 cents to start trading with some eligible volatilities like 75S. But all of them have a minimum deposit of $5 if you are using e-wallets, and if you are using your card, it's $10 again for deposit. So that's why I'm choosing these brokers. Their payout are absolutely great. I never complained about any of this payout. I never did any complaints. So that's why I'm saying these brokers, for me, they stand out to be perfect. I tried brokers, I tried XNES, I tried Just Market, I tried a lot of them. I tried FXTM, I tried FBS. It's also a good broker. I tried a lot of brokers, but so far these brokers are the best for beginners, and you can use these brokers to start trading right away. These are the beginners brokers I'm giving you. And if you think this video is good, this video was valuable, just give us a like, just subscribe, just give us a comment, and your book will be down there. I'm gonna give this book to 2 lucky winners who are gonna comment down below, and we're gonna announce the winners in the next video. As you can see, the book is right here. It's a killer zone strategy book that you can learn this strategy and start trading right away. It's highly profitable. It was just published last year around November. Thank you guys for watching one of my video. I might have talked a lot, but thank you guys, and see you again on the next video.